For those that maybe will see this car on the stream later on, look at it and go, yes, but what exactly is it? Tell us a bit more about the car and kind of how it came to be, your building process and so on.
Okay, yeah, well, we had a previous car which was based on a side silhouette of an Audi TT. This is the next generation, so this is a very loosely based side silhouette, wheel centres up over Audi R8. In case we wanted to go circuit racing or do things like that. So yeah, carbon fibre tub, space for in front and rear, Audi V8 engine as you said, Quaife gearbox, just driving the rear wheels this time, the old car was four-wheel drive. So yeah, that's where we are, and we're now starting to think about a new car, so yeah, that's more of that in the future.
Yeah, next car, we understand, could well be a V10 version of the SBR Chrono. For now, though, we've got the very competitive V8. We expect this man, Simon Bainbridge, to be right there at the front of the order again when we go to the competitive action here today at Quick 60.